Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another weekly analysis video where we will analyze Nifty Small Cap Index, and along with it we will also analyze 4 stocks which are looking good in short term and also in medium term as well. So let us start with the analysis. So firstly we will analyze Small Cap Index. So this is the chart of Small Cap Index. Let us go through it. So this is the daily chart which I have opened here. So as you can see, 28 March 23 was a bottom, and from there we have continuously seen a great amount of returns in small cap index, a great amount of upside, what you can say. But after such an amazing upside, it was very essential to get a small pullback so that market can get ready for another next leg of bull run. So that is what has happened here. And as you can see, small cap index has pulled back to the 20 moving average, 20 exponential moving average which I have marked here, and here it has taken support. And as you can see, like 2 days back I made one video in which I analyzed small cap index and I mentioned this level to everyone. So I'm again mentioning this level here. So as you can see, this is the resistance part. Last time when the small cap index pulled back to 21 EMA, it bounced back, and from this region it again fell and again retested the 20 moving average. So this time it has again shown a bounce, and 1, 2, 3. So thrice it has already hit the resistance, and this time I think it should be able to break because market has already taken a good cool off period. It has taken some time, and as I said 2 days back also in that video, that small cap index is way stronger currently than Nifty index. So that means that good times are ahead here, good times are coming, and we should be now back to the markets and back giving our time, because I am expecting good returns in coming months, at least till Diwali. So that is what my analysis is for small cap index. Now let us discuss about the 4 stocks I have selected. Let us analyze our first setup for the day. It is an IPO based setup. So let us analyze it. The IPO came on the week of 11th August 23. It got listed, and then next week it made this temporary top, we can say, at 509, the temporary high, and then we saw this basing period which is formed here. So let me mark the key important levels here. So as you can see, this is one level where the stock tried to break out but failed in breaking out. So these levels, which is at 479 480 levels, is that level where the stock faced strong resistance. But last week on Friday's closing, it has easily given a breakout of it, and also we have seen a volume pop up here, which is a good thing. So this stock is looking good to me. Also it is an IPO based setup, so as I have already told in my earlier videos as well, that IPO based setup could give good returns when they break out from their all-time high levels. So let us analyze on weekly as well. So weekly high is still to be breached, but so you can mark these levels. So once the stock gives a closing about 505 levels, a weekly closing I'm talking about, then we can see good upside from there on. So overall this stock is looking good to me. So this stock should definitely be on radar. Now let me reveal the name of the stock. The stock's name is Red Tape Limited, and this is one stock you should definitely keep on radar. So on screen you can see now the second setup for the day. So let us analyze it. So as you can see, the stock gave this amazing rally, started this amazing rally on 29th August 23, and in just 4 days it generated huge returns for the investors. So let us firstly so around 40% move it gave, and since then it has been consolidating. And as you can see, in 4 days it gave such an amazing move, so it was quite necessary for the 20 moving average to pull up and then for the stock to set up again for the continuation rally from here. So this is what we are seeing here. The stock is spent almost, I think, 1 September 23. So it has spent more than 5 weeks here, which is a good thing according to me. The consolidation thing after such big rally is very important. So as you can see, this is what has happened here. So let me mark the resistance level and also the support levels here. So the support level here is clearly at 278 level. The stock had retested it multiple times, but have always managed to bounce back from there. And the upside levels clearly is 306. So this is what you can say a Darwah box pattern as well. The stock is continuously like moving in this range. So once the stock manages to break out of it, we can expect a very good rally. Also, as you can see, the volumes are very, very, very amazing, and there have been multiple pop-ups of volumes in this base which it has formed. So this is a very good stock. So the stock's name is India Pesticides Limited, and this is definitely on my radar for next week as well. So my third stock for the week is from chemical sector. As you can see, chemical sector has definitely bottomed out according to me, and it has been a sector which hasn't yet participated in this bull run which we have seen, this amazing bull run which we have seen since past few months. The chemical sector has been very dull or has been still in that consolidation phase, but finally I am expecting chemical sector to lead the upcoming bull run. So this is one of the stock which is on my radar from chemical sector. So as you can see, in this week the stock like fell down a lot, and since then we have seen again this consolidation phase, which let me mark the important levels for these. So as you can see, the stock has tried to break out of this level which is at T324 multiple times, but has failed so far. But also another good thing is the stock is taking good support at 50 moving average. Here also it saw some sudden selling. It might be due to some negative news which would have been out in the market, but the stock managed to close above 50 moving average on daily, and since then it has been respecting it. Last week, that is on Friday as well, it tried to fell down and it retested the 50 moving average and again bounced back and managed to close in green. So that is an amazing thing, and it too I think plus 1.5% it closed in green. So here we can see a bullish hammer candle here. So if I mark this level, so this is one support which you can keep an eye on, 312 level. So whenever the stock is near this range, it is a good accumulation zone, and once we see a breakout of this level which is a 324 level, we can see an amazing rally in this stock. So this is my third stock for the day. The stock's name is Finiotex Chemical. So this is another stock which is on my radar. So my fourth and final stock for the day is on your screens now, and this stock listed on 10th August 23, and since then it has been falling continuously. As you can see, it listed around 48 levels, and since then it has fell down to even 35%. So this is some extreme downside which it has seen, but now it seems like it is bottoming out and has formed another good base. Like recently I discussed with Red Tape as well, there's so similar bases here. And one thing you can see, look at the volumes. The volumes are continuously increasing with the base. So on this day the volumes were high. On this day, after like I think August to So almost after 1 month, the volumes increased even higher, and now last 2 days we have seen amazing volumes. So let me mark the important levels for you. So clearly this level was an important resistance zone for the stock, but it has managed to break out of it, which is a really good thing for the stock. So this is another stock which is on my radar. The stock's name is All Cargo Terminals. So definitely I think another stock which is on my radar, and I'm already holding it, which is I'm revealing something about it. And so this is one stock you should keep on radar. And as you can see, it hit continuously. It was hitting lower circuits. So my target here would definitely be 48 here. So this is my fourth stock for the day. So with this, we come to an end of the weekly video I made, in which I cover the index analysis with which I analyze 4 stocks. So this video would have been a little surprising for you, because this is the first time I'm making a video which has been completely done in English. So this is something which I'm trying something new to increase my channel's reach, which is definitely important. So let us see like how much people share this video, because I think my audience on Twitter also, there are a lot of audience who are not able to understand Hindi. So those people would be getting help with this video. Also, a complete video in English would help increasing the reach of the complete video. So definitely you should comment on it. Like, what is your opinion? Since I have completely switched to English, so you should also comment that, like, if I should continue in Hindi, if I should continue completely in English from now on, or you would suggest a mix of both. So these are the things I think you should comment on. Also comment like what are your stocks, what are the stocks which are on your radar for next week. So let's meet on the next week. Till then, goodbye and Jai Hind.